We are very different because we only make prototypes. A big series by us is about 5 pieces. What we make different is our pieces we make like a jewelry. It have to be shiny, it have to be precise, and it have to be good. Always good. Our job is to make 100% good parts every time. Mainly, we have a lot of machines, but we are specifically for Japanese machine and Sodick's machine. We have Sodick's machine because the philosophy of Sodick is the same like us. They make the parts and the machine simple, but very, very efficient. Precise like we need. If I buy more machine, I buy of course Sodick because we know the machine. We have more than 20 years Sodick's machine in house. Our oldest machine is almost 22 years ago, and it makes always parts in the microns.